So the pose I'm going to teach is Parivrtta Sukhasana. So just come to Sukhasana, so crossing your legs. You may want to use a block if your hips are a little bit tight or your legs are a little bit tight. So we want to create what's called a neutral pelvis for me. So you might want to rock your pelvis back and forth, just trying to create that neutral pelvis position. We want to create what's called axial extension, so creating a length through the spine and then connecting to your dens point. So your dens point is where your skull meets the top of your vertebrae. So we want to locate that, displace, and then create length through there. When we're doing this pose, it's very important that the head remains in line with the spine. So just setting yourself up in this position. So inhale with a sense of expansion through the center of your chest. Exhale, draw your lower abdomen in towards your spine, and then taking your left hand behind you and taking your right hand over towards your left knee, just twisting. Inhale, maintaining that contraction through the lower abdomen, and then returning back to center position. You want to come in and out of this pose about 3 to 5 times, and then we're going to change sides. So when we're changing sides, we want to swap our legs over. So using that asymmetrical guiding principle so that we're doing both sides. One side might feel tighter than the other, which is quite normal. So creating that neutral pelvis, you might want to rock back and forth in that position, creating axial extension through the spine and creating length through the back of the neck through connecting to that dens point. So inhale with a sense of expansion through the center of your chest. Exhale, draw that lower abdomen in, and then taking your right hand just behind you, taking your left hand over towards your right knee. Just making sure that your spine and neck stay in one position, in alignment. Inhale, keeping that subtle contraction through the lower abdomen and just returning back to that starting position. So yeah, you can repeat this pose about 3 to 5 times on each side, and then an invitation to hold in that position.